RC-A11-Ⅱ Load Moment Indicator Anti-collision and Zoom Protection System Manual. Angle sensor, wireless data radio, slewing limiter, wind speed sensor, limiter, load cell, indicator interface, height sensor interface, trolley limiter interface, load cell interface, Control 1 interface, power supply interface, slewing encoder interface, anemometer interface, radio interface, Control 2 interface, bypass, traveling tower crane interface, COM1 and COM2 interface, USB port, power switch, fuse link, operation light, tower crane load moment indicator, tower crane load moment indicator anti-collision and zoom protection system. Monitor and control box should be installed at the proper place of cabin. The direction of arrow on sensor and the resultant force of wire rope should be consistent. That is the direction of middle line of angle between wire rope and pulley. The bottom of limiter has reserved for screw holes for installation and fixation. Switched on the control box. Serial number, tower crane model showed on the top of left. Radio signal and online tower crane quantity. Load moment alarming. Zoom alarming. Anti-collision alarming. Warning icon, wind speed, time, working area displayed on the left. Green indicates the setting of tower crane, yellow indicates the setting of trolley. Percentage of rated load. 4. Laughing angle, trolley position on the boom. Hook height, slewing angle, alarming arrow, load weight. Click bypass to release control. Click menu. Enter 1536 to access the menu. Up to 30 tower cranes supported by the system. Green, online. M, main device, no signal, subordinate. Tower crane working zone shown on the left side. Trolley position. 8 modules on the right side for the system calibration. Enter TC set. Data can be imported by USB. Click icon and choose TC serial number. Choose topless or laughing according to the tower crane type. Click icon and enter system serial number. Height from ground to boom. Distance from linking point of boom to middle point of tower crane mast. Central coordinate of stationary type tower crane. Left track coordinate of traveling tower crane. The length of boom. The width of boom. Default coordinate of stationary type tower crane. -1, -1. Right track coordinate of traveling tower crane. The length of counter jib. The width of counter jib. Click and access to zone set. Data can be imported by USB. Click number to choose zone. Up to 10 zones can be set. Click the icon behind H to amend height. Set coordinates accordingly to form the protection zone. Up to 6 points supported to form one zone. Enter site set. Choose slowing sensor type. Users may choose the method of calibration according to the site condition. 2 points. It's to choose any two tower crane beside itself as rotate calibration reference points. Single points. It's to choose any one tower crane beside itself as a rotate calibration reference point. User defined is to find any 2 points on the site as rotate calibration reference point. Click the icon to modify the anti-collision slowing declaration distance between tower cranes. Anti-collision slowing stop distance between tower cranes. Anti-collision slowing brake distance between tower cranes. Anti-collision slowing declarate distance between tower cranes and protection zone. Anti-collision slowing stop distance between tower cranes and the protection zone. Anti-collision slowing brake distance between tower cranes and the protection zone. Click the blink to modify the trolley declarate distance. Trolley stop distance. Rotation brake time. Inverted rolling time. Slowing initial angle. Interparameter calibration. Red box indicates the voltage of angle sensor for laughing tower crane. When drive the laughing bomb to minimum angle, press angle 1. Input current angle figure. Drive the laughing bomb to maximum angle and press angle 2. Input current angle figure. Drive the trolley to nearest position and click minimum. Enter the distance of current trolley position. Drive the trolley to farthest position and click maximum. Enter the distance of current trolley position. Red box indicates the voltage of height sensor. Lower the hook to lowest and click the icon. Input current hook height. Raise the hook to highest and click the icon. Input current hook height. Red box indicates the voltage of load cell. Click the empty hook icon in red box. Input 0. Click the loading hook icon in red box after hanging known weight. Input known weight figure. Red box indicates the signal of slewing sensor. Drive the bomb to aim at start point A. Click the icon and press OK. Drive the bomb slewing counterclockwise until endpoint B. Click the icon and press OK. Enter load chart. Data can be imported by USB. Click Blink and select tire crane model. Select the bomb lane. Choose 4 number. Red box indicates the load chart. Enter system set. Click display set. Consistent of brightness adjustment, time setting, line gradient choosing, and unit system modification. Click to backup and recovery. LED and control box version in red box. Enter alarm set. Click angle alarm setting for laughing tower crane. Click and amend accordingly. Maximum stop angle. Maximum declaration angle. Minimum declaration angle. Minimum stop angle. Maximum trolley stop distance. Maximum trolley declaration distance. Minimum trolley declaration distance. Minimum trolley stop distance. Click Load Alarming Set. Click Red Box Orderly to amend different level weight. Click Red Box to modify Load Moment Alarming Set. Click Hook Height Alarming Set. Click Red Box to modify. Highest stop position. Highest declarate position. Lowest declarate position. Lowest stop position. Click Wind Speed Alarming Set. Choose Unit System. Modify Wind Speed Alarming Figure. Wind Speed Alarming Figure. Enter data record. All records can be backed up by USB. Click to check working record. Real-time record. Anti-collision record. Operation record. Click up and down arrow to flip over.
Thank you for choosing Recen. Convoy for constructs.